How to use the MyKitchenCalculator.com website to convert your recipes. This tutorial will take you through the basic steps on how to use the MyKitchenCalculator.com website to help you convert or scale the size of your recipes. First, to access the site, open up a web browser and type in the name of the web page into the address bar, MyKitchenCalculator.com. This will take you to the home page where you'll find links to the recipe converter, the kitchen calculator, and the MyKitchenCalculator.com mobile app. You can also access these links and other links located on the menu bar at the top of the page. How to find recipes using the search bar. MyKitchenCalculator.com makes it really easy to search for recipes. The search bar is configured to search the web specifically for recipes. To use the search bar, type in the name of a recipe and press the search button. If you don't know the name of a recipe, you can always type in a bunch of ingredients to perform a keyword search instead. A list of results will be generated by Google search, showing the most relevant results. How to use the recipe converter. The recipe converter is a tool that allows you to quickly and easily scale or change the size of a recipe. The tool basically takes the beginning numerical quantities on each line of an ingredient list and scales it by a certain amount. To access the recipe converter, click on the recipe converter link on the menu at the top of the page. This will take you to the recipe converter page. To learn more about how to use the recipe converter, you can read the step-by-step instructions located at the bottom of the recipe converter page. Or you can also access the video tutorial in the How-To section. For best results, here are a few important rules to keep in mind when entering information into the recipe converter. Each ingredient line should be separated by a new line. This means that you'll have to make sure all the ingredients are not bunched up on the same line. You can do this easily by pressing the Enter key at the end of each line. Avoid grouping ingredients on the same line. Each line should be formatted into standard recipe format. This means that each line should start with the quantity, followed by a space, followed by the unit measure, followed by another space, and followed by a description of the ingredient. Some common mistakes include forgetting to put the quantity at the beginning of the line, and also forgetting to put a space after the quantity. Quantities should be entered in numerical format. The quantity should be a whole number, a decimal number, or a number in fractional form. Avoid entering the quantity as a word. Also, if you use fractions, avoid using a dash to separate the whole number from the fraction. Use a space instead. Use plain text without formatting. When entering the ingredients, it's important to use plain text and avoid using special characters or text formatting where possible. Use 2 pound symbols to scale other numbers. If you want to convert other numbers in the recipe as part of the conversion, the tool allows you to tag these numbers by placing 2 pound symbols in front of the number. When performing the recipe conversion, the recipe converter will scale numbers tagged with the 2 pound symbols appropriately. Just remember, leave a space after the number. Also, remember to use this feature wisely since not all numbers in a recipe are meant to be scaled. By remembering to use these rules, the recipe converter will give you more consistent and accurate results. How to use the kitchen calculator. The kitchen calculator tool allows you to convert between the most common units used in cooking and baking. To access the kitchen calculator, click on the calculator link on the menu at the top of the page. To use the calculator, first, select the type of unit by clicking on one of the tabs at the top. Next, enter the start value and choose a start unit. Then, choose a unit you'd like to convert to and press the Convert button. The conversion will appear below as well as on the conversion pad, which keeps track of the most recent conversions. For any questions, comments, or support, You can access the how-to or support sections at any time. Take the power of recipe conversion with you by downloading the mobile app. The app has added features such as an ingredient-based unit converter and a cooking temperature reference. The app is available for most Android and Kindle devices through Google Play or the Amazon App Store. Just search for MyKitchenCalculator.com and look for the MyKitchenCalculator.com logo. MyKitchenCalculator.com. Recipe conversion made easier.